Hello students, welcome to my channel KT's Commerce Classes. Today's subject accountancy, chapter name branch, part 9. Wholesale and retail profit at branch. Question given. A head office sends goods to the branch at 25% less than the list price. Goods are sold to the customers at cost plus 60%. From the following particulars, ascertain the profit made by head office and by the branch in case of branch on the wholesale basis. Opening stock at cost, head office it is 50,000, branch 30,000. In bracket at invoice price in case of branch, means head office always follow cost price, branch will always follow invoice price. We have to keep in mind. Purchase 1,50,000, goods sent to branch at invoice price 1,08,000, sales head office 1,60,000, branch 80,000, expenses at head office 10,000, branch 6,000. Purchase always made by head office, goods sent to branch at invoice price that also made by head office. First we have to find out valuation of closing stock of head office or valuation of closing stock at branch. So valuation of closing stock of head office, opening stock how much given? 50,000, that is at cost price. Add purchase, that is also at cost price 1,50,000. So after adding, total coming 2 lakhs less cost of goods sent to branch. This is 1,08,000. It is at invoice price given. We have to convert into cross price. Now before that, let cost equals to 100, add 60% means equals to rupees 60. On 100 rupees we have to calculate 60%, that is 60. So list price, that is 160, or catalog price we can say 160. List price rupees 160, invoice price 25% less than the list price, less 25% on 160, 25% means that is 40, 25% on 160, that is 40. After deducting, invoice price is 120. Loading equals to 120, that is invoice price, minus cost price 100, whole divided by 120 equals to 20 by 120 equals to 1 by 6. So loading in the problem is 1 by 6. Now we have to find out cost of goods sent to branch. Now this is 1,08,000, that is an invoice price. So 1 minus 1/6 we have to convert into cost price, that is into 5 by 6 equals to, that is rupees 90,000. So 2 lakh minus 90,000, that is 1,10,000. Now less cost of goods sold. So goods are sold at cost plus 60% to the customers. So 1,60,000, this is at catalog price. So divided by 160 into cost price is 100. So value of the CGS, that is 1 lakh. So closing stock at head office, that is 10,000. Now we have to find out closing stock at branch. Branch always follow invoice price. So opening stock at invoice price, that is 30,000. At goods received from head office, that is 1,08,000, that is also at invoice price. After adding, it is 1,38,000. Less invoice value of goods sold. So goods sold by branch 80,000. So sold at what price? Cost plus 60% means that is at catalog price. So 80,000 divided by 160 into invoice price is how much we know. Invoice price we calculated 120 equals to 60,000. So closing stock at branch, that is 78,000. Now in the books of head office we prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended ... Debit particulars head office branch, credit particular head office branch. So to opening stock, head office is 50,000, branch 30,000. To purchase in head office column 1,50,000. Now goods sent to branch at invoice price 1,08,000. So to goods from HO in branch column it will be 1,08,000. Credit side we have to write by goods sent to branch, that is 1,88,000 in head office column. Buy sales 1,60,000 by head office, 80,000 by branch. By closing stock 10,000 by head office, 78,000 by branch. Now we have to find out gross profit. First we have to close head office column, credit side, head office column credit side coming 2,78,000. That should be written in the debit side to gross profit CD, that is 78,000. Similarly, branch total credit side is 1,58,000. That should be written in the debit side 1,58,000. After deducting the debit items to gross profit CD, that will be 20,000. Now gross profit CD will be transferred by gross profit BD, 78,000 in head office column, 20,000 in branch column. Expenses of head office 10,000, expenses of branch 6,000. Now we have to cancel the load on closing stock and opening stock of branch. That is transferred to stock reserve account. Closing stock is 78,000 minus opening stock 30,000. In this stock, loading is 1/6 into 1/6. Who will cancel the load? Head office will cancel the load. It is coming 8,000. Now credit side total of profit and loss account for head office is 78,000. That should be written in the debit side 78,000 to net profit, that is 60,000 for head office. Credit side of branch 20,000, that should be written in the debit side 20,000. So to net profit of branch, that is balancing figure 14,000.